Flat 9, not fiction, that's postcode proof. Where the roof leaks tears like the system's truth. Camden used flat 2 to cover the rot. But the wiring's burnt out and the meter runs hot. No heating, no fuse, just survival mode. Coin meter ripped, like the truth they erode. No power in the kitchen, no switch for the light. I cooked 3 nights straight with the cold as my fight. Yeah, landlord breach, that's section 11. Landlord and Tenant Act, justice driven. 2018 Homes Act, they skipped the page. Flat 9's unfit, it's a council-made cage. Fan heaters thrown in as a reasonable step. But no boiler, no flame, just cold and debt. Defective premises, 1972. Tenant exposed to what no one should go through. Shower blocked by junk, sink unstable. Water pipes bare, not fit, not able. Floor tiles loose like the lies they spread. Flat 2 they claim, but flat 9 bled. Toby Dean's rocked up like it's Halloween. Jazz player in a B-suit, buzzing unseen. He served the prohibition on a real inspection, then hid when the block demanded correction. Yeah, he knew it was flat 9, photos don't lie. But the paperwork switched like a rogue alibi. Flat 2, they wrote to gaslight the court. Misrepresent the facts like it's a sport. Council funding flowed, but not to repairs. No enforcement team, just PR flares. Fire risks ignored, rat holes in foam. Still they call this squalor a private home. JGF's clipboard drop, bars of truth. Towels degraded, showers no use. No hot water at the basin, glass unglazed. Velux window leaking like Lord disengaged. 2 kitchens, but no prep zone safe. One ain't got water, the other's a disgrace. No smoke alarm, exposed pipe freeze. Gaps round doors, mice enter with ease. Tenant forced to live like a squatter in frost. Yet Camden claim no duty was lost. This ain't a failure, this is designed to crush tenants and erase the line. Let's get this on record. Flat 9's the case, the prohibition order. Flat 9 that place, expert report. Flat 9 no debate. So why does the council use flat 2 as bait? Flat 9's the danger, facts on fire. But they twist the name to escape the trial. It's misfeasance, public office shame. Fraudulent documents playing dirty games. Camden paid rent to a rogue on breach, while denying repair, that's policy leech. This ain't error, this is strategy slick. To silence the disabled with paperwork tricks.
Echoes of MTAV, Lord Chancellor. Mental capacity used as a silencer. Same strategy, silence, delay, confusion. Procedural tricks breed tenant exclusion. Denied adjustments, care plan blank. Equality Act breach, that's systemic prank. Public sector equality duty ignored. PSE's violation like it's folklore. They said he consented to stay in decay, but that's new consent, that's no other way. Human Rights Act Articles 3 and 8. Breach of dignity, sealed by state. Now draft the claim, bundle the pain. Attach photos of disrepair reign. Claim for the stress, for rights erased. For dignity shattered, for time displaced. Rent abatement under Sergeant V. Mace. Compensation chase at a judicial pace. Let the CPR guide the truth release. Serve them all part 35 with legal grease. Plead breach of contract, breach of law. Section 9 of the Act, Section 4 for sure. Add fraud, discrimination, neglect. Withholding repairs to keep tenants in check. Toby, you danced in a yellow disguise, while tenants froze under moldy skies. The prohibition you served was real and lived. but you vanish like myths from Channel 5. No follow-up, no fix, no fire alarm. No care for the vulnerable or bodily harm. This ain't slapstick, this is breach of trust. This is public neglect that turns dreams to dust. So we tie for the truth in legal form. Drilling court with a silent storm. Bring the photos, the date, the file, the code, and let that judgment explode. This is my statement of truth. Flat 9 was never inspected post-order. The prohibition stands, and so does my claim. Camden, Toby, Dr. Godagama. Every lie is traceable. This isn't just music, it's admissible evidence.